I learned about Davy Knowles from my good friend Heidi Ravis. She inspired the thought to get him here in us. So she started the chain of events. So can we hear it for Heidi? Let's hear it for Heidi. All right. So anyway, David and I were both inspired by Sultans of Swing. You know the Dire Straits song? I was inspired to go to the record store and buy the album, and he was inspired to do what he's going to do tonight. Right? So that's going to be really cool. David comes from the Isle of Man, which is a tiny island off the coast of Ireland in the Irish Sea. Davy spent his youth there, which was not very long ago. At the ripe age of 23, he can hang with the people that inspired him. Folks like Eric Clapton, Robert Johnson, Jeff Beck, and Rory Gallagher, and other heavyweights in the rock and blues area. Finally, I'm just really thrilled to see that there are so many young kids out there in the audience who are ready to be inspired tonight by Davy Knowles, who will be touring later this summer with the Rhythm Devils, an offshoot of the Grateful Dead, so be sure to check out those gigs. They're sure to be great. So ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, get ready to be rocked and inspired by Davy Knowles and Backdoor Slam!
I'm just glad that the weather hasn't opened up on us, and I hope I just haven't jinxed it. Hmm.